Nola's Winter Wonderland is where we at now. This is the porch. In the ramp. What'd you say? The who? First of all, who have fun in the what? Girl, you having fun. We ain't equipped for this type of behaviors. All right, y'all. I think y'all get it. I'll come back out in a little while. It doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. And we really can't see any other place, I think, at this point. So I'll be back. See you guys in a minute.
Actually, like, the dream definition of winter wonderland.
It really is, though, huh? Well, the weather outside is frightful. Let it go. You want to throw